Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I'm so excited to be here with you, showing you Whit's kit, August 2020. We are doing some pattern paper cuts. When I saw this kit, I was in love because the paper included in this kit is absolutely stunning. It is watercolor succulents. You get 24 sheets. And let me show you. So I had previously, for the purpose of this video, had cut these out. So you get 2 sheets of these guys. And look how pretty this is. And I actually trimmed them just so they would fit on my 5.5 by 4.25 cardstock. This kit is amazing. Then included also in the kit, you're gonna get 2 dies, the Essential Greetings die set. You can get Thanks and Hello. So as you can tell, I had already cut those beautiful pattern papered flowers. This is a great way to make some super fast cards. I'm going to grab my foam adhesive. I'm going to cut a longer strip, about 6 inches, and then I'm going to take off the little backer and then fold it over, and that way you get a really tall foam adhesive. I'm going to place it on the back of that watercolor succulent and placing it on my card. I'm going to repeat the process on my second watercolor, and can you tell that we cut these out of pattern paper? I cannot. They're absolutely beautiful. So here's that double foaming that I was showing you earlier. Just gonna fold and then remove the backing, which is pretty much the hardest part of this entire card. So once we have struggled with that, we're gonna remove the backing, of course, place it on that pattern paper, and then we're going to put it on the edge. This would be a great technique for some slimline cards. I know those are ever popular right now. Then I have a piece of vellum, and I love keeping scraps, and I'm so glad I did because I have this perfect little vellum piece, and it's going to hold as the backer for our card. I have another piece of foam. And as you can see, my foam is super sticky, but that's okay. I'm going to remove that backer. And I'm going to place the one piece of foam right in the center and place it right on the back of that. And the reason for this is that I wanted to be sure that it was going to stick to both of those florals. And then I decided, you know what? We are going to double foam this, if that makes any sense. So we're going to have 4 layers of foam, and we're going to place it. And the reason why I really wanted to be raised from those beautiful flowers so you wouldn't lose how pretty that watercolor effect is. I'm going to have the Thanks die, and I actually have die cut this out of black cardstock. I'm going to be using my Tombow adhesive on him. And then I'm going to place that Thanks die. So one of the tips I can give you, especially if you find that your die has kind of gotten wonky, gotten out of shape, is to grab your die, place it right under where you're going to place it, and then you can follow along how far, what the spacing is between those letters. So I'm pretty happy with the things. It kind of end up being a little bit curved, but that's okay. Look how cool that is. And I'm like, you know what? All we need for this is some embellishment. So in the kit, we have some wood embellishments included, but I really wanted to stick to something really elegant. So I have some crystals, and these are just little jewels. You can find them at your favorite craft store, and I'm going to place them on my card. I'm using the Marby jewel picker. You can use anything you like, even tweezers, to pick these guys up and place them on your card. And guys, that does it for me. I'm going to finish the embellishment of this card. But again, it was super easy, very clean, a very simple card to make using Whit's kit August 2020, using the awesome Watercolor Succulents paper pack along with the dies. Thank you so much. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below for me. Thanks so much. It's Crystal Thompson here. See you later.